In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in CutePDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Tools, top left when you have your PDF open, and then in here you can find Header and Footer. So you want to click on this, and then from here, as you can see, you can first select where you want to add the page number. So you have actually 6 options. So you have top left, top center, top right, and then you have bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. So select where you want to add it. I'm going to go to bottom center over here, which for me is the standard. You can also go ahead and change the font and the size over here. I'm gonna make it, let's do size of 16, color is gonna be black, and the font, I'm just going to leave it like it is by default. Now what you have to do here is use these tags over here. So as you can see, it says you may use the following tags as part of the text. So what I'm gonna do is actually use this one, which is P, so the current page number. Now I could do it just like this. If I type in P in these brackets, you'll see that that's gonna add a page number. Now of course here you can select the page range as well. I'm just going to put it on all pages right now, but you could also do custom, like from to, or pages in a specific order, or numbers, or whatever. So I'm going to leave it like this, and what I'm going to do here is click on OK. When you do this, as you can see, it's going to get you page numbers which look like this. So that's going to be the easiest way to do it. However, it allows you for more customization as well. So if I click on the header and footer, which is also located up here, I can go and change this too. So I could do, for example, let me actually undo what I did previously. There we go. If I do header and footer and I go in here, I could, for example, type in like page and then P over here, and that would display what would say, of course, page 1, page 2, page 3, etc. I could also do page 1 off and then the total amount of pages, so that's also possible. If I go up here and I type in, for example, page and then P off, and then here you can see you can do total number of pages. It's gonna be just like the big P. I'm gonna do a P like this, then this should work. You could also do just like P of P or whatever. I'm going to leave it like this, click on OK. And there we go. As you can see, that's working as well. So those are kind of the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.